Smart PDLC windows are relatively new on the market, but they provide homes with more energy-efficient products, which is exciting. Whether you are building a new home, or want to transform your house with technology and features to reduce your dependence on unsustainable resources, they may be a good choice.
To daylight an interior effectively, harsh sunlight must be moderated to reduce glare and spread more even illumination at comfortable levels. PDLC film-enabled windows, skylights, and glazed doors can be switched to translucent mode at peak hours of sunlight to cut light levels roughly in half and scatter the light, providing a diffuse source that illuminates more of the room with less glare.
Smart Switchable glass is a sustainable product that can lower energy consumption and energy costs by improving the use of natural daylighting, lowering energy use for illumination, and reducing solar heat gain, thereby reducing air conditioning demands.